FUTURE ATT technology, new generation automatic labeling machine, is a core device in SMT smart factories. It integrates with WMS, ERP, and MES systems for fully automated scanning, labeling, verification, and material unloading. Equipped with two industrial AI cameras for accurate code reading and 100% label accuracy. Suitable for component manufacturers, traders, and SMT factories. Labeling process. Manually place materials on the loading turntable with a maximum buffer capacity of 240 reels. After pressing the start button, the robotic arm automatically loads the materials. The servo robotic arm provides faster speed and higher stability. Industrial AI cameras scan real information in real time. The reel automatically rotates to position for labeling. Real information is uploaded to the labeling system to print the corresponding labels. The labeling robotic arm picks and precisely applies the labels. Average labeling efficiency is 1.8 S per reel, with a labeling accuracy of 1. After labeling, industrial AI cameras verify the label content. Real information is uploaded to the labeling system in real time. An N channel is configured for materials that fail verification. Successfully verified materials are automatically unloaded by the robotic arm. The unloading port can buffer 60 reels. Reels are grouped in sets of 10 and conveyed to the pickup point. Manually remove the reels to complete the labeling operation. FUTURE ATT is dedicated to building smart factories for leading enterprises.